In this demo, I will show you how to do a bin move within OrderTime Mobile. So go ahead and launch OrderTime Mobile, click on bin move. After a few seconds, you'll see the screen pop up, and the first thing that you need to scan in is the from bin, where you're moving it from. In this case, we have one called the floor. The next scan, you can see the to bin lit up, so I'm going to move it to a bin called G3. And the next one is where you scan the item. So I'm going to scan the item, and OrderTime will show you what's on hand in that bin at this particular time. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to move 5 of them. Okay. Now, once you do the first bin move, it'll start a new bin move. But if you want to view what you have already, your pending bin moves, you go to the list and you will see it there. Okay. All right, so let's do another one more. And again, this time I'm going to move it from the freezer, which is one of our bins. And again, we'll move it to G3. This time we're going to move the hard drive, which has a serial number. Okay, we'll put that in. All right, so there are my 2 bin moves, one for item 111 and one for the hard drive. I'm just going to go ahead and upload that, and adjustment number 173 was created. You can now go into OrderTime and take a look at that. Thank you.